A squirrel, in outline, on the gable of a building facing the Liffey in Dublin City. Do you remember it? A red squirrel, stretched 4 stories high, nibbling with a glistening eye. Do you remember the first time you spotted it? As I darted to the station, it stopped my rush, made me look, made me care. Since pulled down to make way for the invasive species of a hasty grey tower, 23 stories up with plans for 200 hotel rooms, which they later cut because post-COVID, office space offers higher profit rates and it's all about the bottom line. This squirrel is the chalk outline at a crime scene. This city's heart has ceased to beat. Build to rent, not to live. Sell each square inch to the highest bid. The people plough on but don't get far. In these parts, only the cranes reach the stars. Their looming masts, like ghosts of ships, send droves away from home to live. And as Dublin falls to profit, how can our culture stand? Raised on songs and stories, heroes of renown, now raised for multi-stories, Dublin's crumbling to the ground. The hollow halls of hotels, each new build a crime. Do you remember Dublin City before it died?